Hey there guys, Chet here. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sell digital products using Brevo automations so that you can build a fully automated system that sends, promotes, and delivers your products while you focus rather on growing your business. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything that you need to know to master the platform step by step. Now let's get started. First, log into your Brevo account. Once you are inside of the account, look at the left sidebar and click on the Automations tab. This is where you'll create automated workflows that help you sell your digital products. After clicking the Automations tab, you'll land on the main Automations page. Here, move to the top right corner and click the plus Create an Automation button. As soon as you click, a pop-up window titled Create an Automation will appear. Brevo here gives you two options. You can either create a workflow from scratch or choose one of their ready-made automation templates. On this page, you will see several templates such as abandoned cart, product purchase, welcome message, marketing activity, and also anniversary date. Since we're focusing on digital product sales, select marketing activity for this tutorial. After selecting the marketing activity template, a new pop-up window will appear rather. Look at the bottom right corner and click the Create Automation button to continue. Once you click, the workflow builder will open on your screen. Now, this is where you'll design the sequence that sells your digital product automatically. At the top of the workflow, you'll see the first trigger box labeled Email Opened. This means that your automation will begin when someone opens a specific email. In this case, it could be your promotional email, a free resource email, or even a confirmation email that introduces your digital offer. Click on the Email Opened box and then choose which email will start this workflow. For this tutorial, you'll select transactional email. Then, to make it more specific, click the Add Filter button there at the bottom right side. A pop-up titled Define Contact Filter will appear. Now, this is where you can decide who should enter your automation. You'll see two main options: select a list or segment and contact filter. Under select a list or segment, pick the contact list or segment that contains people who showed interest in your digital product. Then, under contact filter, select the email you want to track. Once you've chosen your list, your email, and your filters, click the Confirm Trigger button at the bottom left corner of the workflow. This will save your trigger and ensure that only the right contacts enter your workflow. Now move to the next step, the action box labeled Send an Email, and then click it. This is where you'll create the email that actually sells your digital product. When you click the Send an Email box, a setup window will appear on the left side of your screen this time under the Message section. You can write the content of the email that you want to send. If you already have a pre-designed email template, click the Edit button and select it. Otherwise, type your email message directly inside the editor or use Brevo's drag and drop tool to create one. Now, when creating your sales email, make sure that it focuses on the benefits of your digital product. For example, if you're selling an ebook or an online course, explain what problem it solves and why it's valuable. Use persuasive but very friendly language and end the email with a very clear call to action, encouraging the reader to purchase or access your product. After writing the content, click the Preview button to see how your email will look to your subscribers. Then scroll to the Event Data to Display field and select one option from the drop-down list. Next, scroll down to the subject line field and write a subject that grabs attention and clearly mentions your offer. For example, your exclusive course access is here, or start learning with our digital bundle today. Now, move to the Preview text field and enter a short line that supports your subject. This is the small text that appears next to your subject line in the inbox. Below that, you'll find the Sender section. Choose your verified sender email address and name. This will help your contacts recognize who the email is from. Then fill the sender's name field with your brand or your personal name. Once you've finished adding all the details, click the Save button at the bottom left corner. This will add your sales email to the workflow. Now your workflow will show the simple sequence: email opened, send an email, exit. This means whenever a contact opens the specific email that you selected, they'll automatically receive the follow-up email promoting your digital product. And then once everything looks good, navigate to the top right corner and click the Activate Automation button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Activate Automation again to turn it live. After activation, your automation will start running immediately. So, whenever someone opens your selected email, Brevo will automatically send the sales email promoting your digital product. This process helps you sell your digital products without needing to manually send any follow ups. It can work for ebooks, courses, templates, music files, or really any type of downloadable item. The workflow makes sure that every potential buyer receives consistent communication until they take action. For example, you could use your first email to give a free sample or a teaser of your product. Then, through this automation, send a follow up email that explains the full offer and includes a purchase link. If someone engages with that, you can later create another automation that delivers the digital product automatically after payment confirmation. And that is how you use Brevo automations to set up a complete digital product funnel. It saves time, it increases sales, and it ensures that every customer gets the right message at the right time. If you want to go even deeper into Brevo and learn how to automate more advanced workflows, check the link in the description to access the complete Brevo course and get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 90 days. That's it for this tutorial. Remember, if you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.